Okay, there's a few things on this lab I want to talk about that were a little bit off, I think, and I want to make sure you guys understand what's happening, and then we'll talk. And I want you to do this lab over. Okay, now right here it says place the metal samples in the 250 milliliter beaker, fill it 2/3 with water. Place the beaker on the hot plate and turn the heat to high. This step right here is just to get the metals hot. This has really nothing to do with the energy that's going to be absorbed by the calorimeter and the water in the calorimeter. So 3 says find the mass of the inner calorimeter cup recorded in the table, and 4 says add between 100 and 150 grams of water to the calorimeter. Record this mass in the table. That goes here. Okay, so this 435.6 grams of water, I think you guys recorded this mass and not the mass in the calorimeter. And so it's important that this is the mass in the calorimeter, because that's the water that actually is going to be absorbing energy. Okay, now there was a couple other things that were a little bit different, and that was with the calculations in the next part. So if we take a look and we scroll down and look at the next page, okay, your answers here were okay, but this is a little bit wrong when I'm looking at the math. Okay, you have the exact right equation, but you didn't follow it. Okay, so water equals the heat of the water is Q equals M times C times delta T. And here's the mass you have. Again, I think that's the wrong mass. Here's the delta T you have, which is fine. You didn't put in C. Okay, so this should be times 4.18 joules per gram degree Celsius. Don't forget that. Okay, over here on the calorimeter you have its mass, you have its change in temperature, but again, no delta T, and this one's 0.897 joules per gram degree Celsius. So don't forget to do that when you're doing the math. Okay, and that is going to change this number here, but again, wrong mass, it's all kind of going to be gone. Then you did this part exactly right. You have the mass, you have the C, you have the delta T, and you calculated this. Now, that actually looks okay, but I think the numbers are wrong on that. So make sure that when you guys do this, you are recording the right things and your results are okay.